What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is a little different. My hair is definitely something today, but ignore that. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the best John Mayer tone for free. Now, the first thing you're going to need is a guitar. So I'm guessing if you look up this video, you probably already have a guitar, and usually a Strat style, a Tele style can kind of get it, but yeah, the Strat style's where you're at. Right here I have the Silver Sky SE. It is my dad's. I did have a Strat, but I traded it for a Helix. You need a USB interface to go into your computer, because that's what you're going to plug your guitar into. So after that, you're going to want to download a software called Reaper for this program that we're going to use. It's going to say you need to pay for it, but you don't need to. So this program is called ToneLib GFX, and it is a program that you can pay for, but again, like Reaper, it is something that you can keep evaluating. I highly suggest, if you want to support the team who created this, to support them with paying for it. So without further ado, this is a patch that I made. I'll put this in the description as well as the download for the plugin. It comes with a bunch of stock ones, but those don't sound great. It's best to just make your own. And what I did was, there was a guy who made a patch who had nice sounding IRs on it. So I just took those IRs and then I just added all this stuff to it. And I'm really surprised at how good it sounds. I stacked the deluxe reverb in the Dumble, and the IR has a Bassman, which those aren't Bassman amps, but it sounds great. And it just does that like Mayerish thing, like it's that super clean tone. My favorite part about it is it's convenient, because I have a Helix, but I keep that at my church because it's just way easier to keep it there, because I use it there all the time and I don't want to pack it back and forth. So this is just a great thing to practice with, and it's just very convenient because it's just at my house. I'm going to test the clean sounds on each of the pickups. Here we go. And here is the semi-heavy distortion sound, and you notice I have two tube screamers. It's because the con on here doesn't sound the greatest. Stacked two tube screamers, and it actually sounds pretty close to John's sound. Here is a test of what just one drive sounds like. Not the best playing, but you get the idea. And here is the lead tone, I call it, which is just both of them on. Still not the best playing, but you can hear it. It sounds pretty loud because when for some reason with single coils, when you face like screens or a computer, it just gets really loud for no reason. But it's easy to get rid of that. Here is an example with it in a song. Obviously not the best playing. I'm not John Mayer. And some of you are definitely going to be better players than me and make it sound 100 times better. But these are just examples. Sounds pretty good. I don't know about y'all, but I think it sounds very good for what it is. Another song example that I know a lot of people would want to hear is the obvious Slow Dancing in a Burning Room. And it does that sound very well. And this is what that sounds like. And obviously, I already did the little lead part for Gravity, but the clean part of that. Sounds great. Other songs like I Don't Trust Myself with Lovin' You, you turn this pedal on. Does that pretty well. Decently. Doesn't sound fantastic, like exactly like it, but it's pretty good. It can also do the sob rock kind of sound with this. Can also do the lead tone from sob rock. Just has that nice chorus sounding lead tone that John introduced not too long ago. And the last thing I have in here is just this hall reverb. If you want to do like ambient type stuff. Not perfect playing, but you get what I'm trying to do. Other than that, I really think this is a great program to use if you can't afford like Neural DSP or even like a Helix or something, just to practice and get pretty good tone, especially for it being free. So if you guys want to check it out, just go into the description. I'll have the download for this, and I'll have the download for my preset. And other than that, if you guys have any more questions on anything, I might make a follow-up video, or I'll just answer comments and go from there. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe, and go check out my other videos. I have vlogs, so that'd be tight. See ya.